Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me with divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So open up your mind and sing with me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe you sing with me. I love peaceful melody, and it's your God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. So do you want to come on? Scooch on over closer, dear. Now whisper in your ear that I love, that I love, that I love. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew in your face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, so I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So open up your plans and sing with me. Open up your mind and then you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, there's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.